The Brisbane City and Corinda train, travelling via South Brisbane and running express from Petrie to Bowen Hills, will arrive on platform 6 in approximately 2 minutes. This is a 3-car unit. Please move towards the middle of the platform and stand behind the yellow safety line. The Brisbane City and Cleveland train running express from Nudgee to Binder, then from Park Road to Norman Park, then from Hemmant to Wynnum North will arrive on platform 10 in approximately 2 minutes.